We shine like all. They be dancing, yo. Shining like Mr. Clean. It's like the worst thing you can wanna be. Like, oh.
What's up?
Who is this? What's up, though? This is the only elf. So good.
Oh, and I didn't even leave it freaking open.
I'm lagging a little bit.
It's temp you didn't want to run.
Who is that? Wait, who? Hold on. Hold on, 1 second. It's temp. Do you wanna? I don't. Sure, I guess.
You eat.
What? Wait, who is Tim? But yeah, I guess I'll want to. I ain't playing with nobody else. I don't know who this is. Phones, I know it. What, bro? E-Raging? E-Raging, though? Come on, man.
The one you clipped on 2K19.
Oh. Oh, you. I guess. Put you on my montage. Phones, bro. Pushing the road when they load. Freak.
I got reported to my name, so it is temp.
Oh.
Satisfaction. I spent a lot of time on it. Where is that?
Hold up, yo.
bit because I have a lot of work to do on this house. It's hard, okay? I got this look last time.
I just saved it.
Alright, I gave you a double bed. You want a window? Okay. And yeah, I'm finished. What's wrong?
I know what I gotta do. I'm gonna save it to my hard drive. Hold up.
Because then I'm gonna lose my house and have to start all over.
Oh, I gotta look for it. Man.
Huh? Just send me a picture of it. No. Why? In nowhere. No. No, Ty.
I'm gonna do it.
Come on, a quick show. Let me see.
Man, how y'all feel about that Travis Scott stuff?
I saw it, Ty.
Are you appearing offline?
That's it.
Yes. Dude,
I'm still looking.
no team.
What?
Yes, I'm here offline.
Yeah, I'm still looking though. I didn't do
What's
that.
your name? Tim? I don't see you. You don't got me
I
happy.
can see. I can see, Ty.
No.
Okay. Alright.
Nothing else. Hold up 1 second. Hold up. I'll be right back.
Ooh, paint on free add-on. No, that's nice. I like free add-on. You get to tell people whatever they want. Oh, graphic and cute.
What just happened?
I look like Peyton.
Alright, let me
Oh,
put
you get to tell people
this thing. Finna say this to my hard drive real quick.
Tornado. Tornado, run, 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 run. Potatoes, potatoes. Tortitos.
Oh. Hey, what you say the first time? Alright. Hold on. Hold on, I'm finna just... Hold up. 1 second. Hello. I'm finna play with him. Hello, Killer? What's up?
You can play for admin with me. It's actually a good game.
Alright. You wanna play Fortnite? Well, you wanna play?
It's only if you want to.
Alright. Put my thumbnail up there.
I'd.
Huh? Well, I can fly high in the
My
sky,
thumbnail
especially-
saving.
You just
You wanna run duels?
Okay, so go in your chat, then go to the numbers and they have
Yep.
the little
Put the
two dots.
thumbnail up.
Press that.
Alright. I'm ready now.
So go in your chat. Chat. Like, you know where you chat at? So go to your numbers. And then you see the little two dots.
It's up there.
Press that, and then if somebody is like DJ, say fly DJ, or if you want yourself to fly, just say fly.
What happened?
And if somebody kill you,
None.
or them.
Oh
Then we
my.
get to talk like tell each other stuff.
Somebody else on my stream?
No, because you gotta put the two dots first. You gotta press on the two. Look, no, let me show you.
You saw that thumbnail?
Like this. But I ain't fly because I put a space. But don't put a space, okay? There you go. I'm about to tell. Fly DJ.
Ah. Fingers.
Yes, we can.
More.
I say fly DJ. I think DJ fly.
How it fell? Come on. Hold on, let me make you fall, Lito. There we go. I'm finna make you a moderator, Killer.
I'm going alright. But I don't think I'm going. I'm far away from, so far away from her. My booty cheeks like moving. You need to see though. I'm so far away. Exactly, it's like you're going to heaven. Wait, so now I'm coming next to you. You see me? Yeah. Where you at? I'm going to the clouds. Where you at?
Trying to make you a moderator, but it's being retarded. I'm gonna try to do it on my phone.
No. My booty cheeks on this game is hard.
Come on, Killer.
It's hard to notice though. Child, I don't see you. Oh, I'm all the way over here. I didn't even know that. But I'm going so slow. Stop jiggling, booty.
Caleb, come on.
I don't even know that girl. I'm just going. That's
Wow, I always get a pistol, dog. Like, I'm not that good with a pistol, man. Tired of these dudes disrespecting me like I'm nothing. See, dog. God, they give me a pistol every time. Come on, bro.
I'll fall it. No, I said unfly, that's fine. Wait, I'm the only one. Oh, no. Say unfly with the dots. Unfly? Uh-huh. Say unfly with the dots. So this all we doing? And look, so somebody, so like say Trin Queen. Say Trin Queen. And then you say fly Trin or jail Trin or more Trin Donald Trump. Something like that. Then it's gonna tell her that. Then she's gonna do it. And then if you say clone queen. I don't know what you're talking about. And that's all one, that's all one. Period. And that's a what, period, huh?
Caleb.
Oh, y'all fly.
I don't know. We
I'm
can
about to fly.
switch it up.
Oh, never mind. Why?
Come on, Kayla. Hey, man.
What? Sorry, I have to do something. I have to call DJ. I have to call DJ. I call DJ. I call DJ with me. Okay. What I'm about to play? Well, I'm about to play speed one.
Kayla.
Who the heck is Jeff? You mean like Jeffy? Huh? Great, I died.
Hello?
No.
Hello?
Okay, let me just pass level 1 of this because I think it's about I'm about to.
Caleb, if you could hear me, type something in the chat.
Wait, this is a thing if you will be Jeff. No, it's like big. Now my camera won't freaking move. I'm almost finished. About to join. Hold on. Yeah, ma. And I passed up 1. Oh, yeah?
Kayla,
Oh, my head is big.
type something in the chat so I can make you my moderator. I'm finna end the stream, y'all.